Hi, Attorney Pena here to talk to you about humanitarian parole. What is humanitarian parole? Humanitarian parole is nothing more than a legal entry into the United States. It's temporary and it has an expiration date. It is not a guarantee that you will get humanitarian parole. We have to ask the officers who are possibly at a land border or at the airport. But based on their decision and the factors that they use, they can decide whether or not to grant you this legal entry. The benefit of humanitarian parole are the following three things. First, you can get your temporary work permit. This work permit allows you to work in the United States legally. Second, you are able to obtain a Social Security number based on your work permit application. And third, with those two documents, you will be able to apply for your driver's license with your state. Those three documents will give you a great start in the United States because with those three documents, you can also apply for a bank account and many other things that require legal identification in the United States. So I've told you what humanitarian parole is. Now let's talk about what it is not. Humanitarian parole is not the same as asylum. Asylum requires an application that you must fight before either an asylum officer or a judge. The chances are if you entered under humanitarian parole, you likely have a court date and you will likely have to file an asylum petition before a judge. The second thing it is not is that it is not permanent. Humanitarian parole has an expiration date. So you must take care of all of your documentation before your expiration date. That includes filing your legal relief, which could be asylum, but your attorney will have to talk to you about what kind of application you should file. Okay, so I've told you about humanitarian parole. Call our office today so that we can help you file your applications and get a great start in the United States.